Over the course of our adventures, we've hit a lot of stuff, especially our propeller, as you can tell by all of the gouges and missing parts of it. We got a new propeller, and we're gonna replace it because it's wobbling. That's what it looks like. Welcome to Money Pit Boating.
Oh!
That would have sucked so bad. So we got that. There we go. Sacrificial anode. Now there's a big old bolt in there. There we go. Be a washer in there. Lots of grunting.
Try it?
Oh, we happen to have a crowbar. It's too thick.
This doesn't seem right.
Well, I got an idea. That's not an idea.
Do you want back home?
So what you want to do is you want to floss your motor.
It's the #1 cause of prop decay.
I think we just gotta whack it with a hammer. So one of the reasons why we think that there's a wobble is the spindle that's coming out of the motor is shifted, but I don't know if hitting it with a mallet is helping.
It seems like we skipped a step.
You might be right.
Did you know there's a device called a prop puller?
We don't have one.
I don't think that's doing anything.
It's destroying our credibility. Ooh, I think that might have done something. Ooh,
Okay,
yeah,
it's going.
that's doing stuff. So what you're gonna wanna do is get one of these. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a whole fishing line in there.
Yeah!
Well, I would say that this cotter pin, being as warped as it is the cause of our wobble. Yeah.
Oh my god. It's not what? Oh my god.
So that's taking some heavy hits. There we go.
Now that we got all this stuff off of there, we gotta try and see if the motor shaft is actually bent. Is it wobbling?
Might not matter. This might be permanent. Do we have another cotter pin?
We're gonna have a hell of a time getting this pin out. That thing is bent. We just started inspecting the propeller. It's actually dented the plastic. Here's what the propeller's supposed to look like. And here's what ours does look like. There is a little bit of a difference. I don't know if you guys can tell.
Good news.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try and get this pin out.
Anything?
No, this thing's not coming out. I hope this isn't bending the motor shaft. It feels smooth. Dude, this thing is like offset. Bye-bye. No, don't put me on here.
You might be able to bend it again and bop it again.
What you're gonna wanna do is do a bend and a bop. Thought there was a little spider in there. There could be, man, they're everywhere. Oh.
I think it's forging temp.
We got a small window. Can we do it? No, not at all. New plan. There we go. Haha. Now we're just gonna try and whack this thing through. Does it do anything?
No!
Aha.
That's why we had a little wobble on our prop.
To put the propeller back on, you put all the parts back together. Then you washer on, put the pin in. See how nice it goes? Oh, yeah, that's not working. I feel like it tightened up a bunch when we actually screwed it in. Now you put the other washer on here, and then you put this thingy on. Careful when you're doing this, because this thing's sharp. That's it there. Now.
Oh, we didn't put the fishing line in.
Oh, dude, you killed me at the first second. So here's what this thing looks like. We don't know if this is good or bad, but it's going back on. Does it wobble?
I'm not seeing a wobble. Obviously, this isn't the most scientific test.
Oh yeah, there's no wobble. We think it's better than it was.
It should be good. It's great.
We won't know if we actually fix the wobble until we get the motor back on the boat, but we've got to install a huge upgrade to our motor first.
So click right here and check that out and see if we fixed that wobble in our motor.
Modal. Click the video, please.
Please click. Thanks for watching,
Thanks
guys.
for watching. Modal.